Welcome back, everybody. Right now, it's time for the Executive Edge. Goldman Sachs is expected to announce that fewer than 65 people will be named partners this year. The Wall Street Journal says that would make it the smallest class of new partners since 1998, back when Goldman was still a private company. An official announcement is expected this week, but partners now own less than 5% of the firm.
But by the way, you know why this is? Cost control.
Good way of.
Yeah, because if you turn them into partners, guess what? Everybody makes a little bit more money.
Right.
But by the way, we shouldn't. The partners at Goldman Sachs, we should be clear. It's a partnership, but it's not a partnership in the classic sense of an ownership partnership. It's simply almost at this point a designation, a sort of a title designation about the way they think about it. Exactly.
All right, in other corporate news, General Electric will pay former CEO John Flannery $4.3 million in cash severance over the next 12 months. He was fired last month after just 14 months on the job. According to an SEC filing, Flannery will also be eligible for equity awards that could total several $1 million. He'll receive a pension, more from his more than 30 years at GE once he turned 60. It was valued at nearly $24 million at the end of last year. Saw something over the weekend that kind of got me going. It was an article from Zero Hedge about some guy recounting what he remembers so vividly from the financial crisis.
Yeah.
And that was of Immelt being on CNBC on this show.
I remember what he was talking about.
It wasn't Immelt. It was Keith Sharon. Immelt was not on.
Oh, I thought you meant.
So he remembers this, and then he ties, and then Immelt was supposedly on the New York Fed and knew what was happening. It wasn't Immelt. It was Keith Sharon. When the stock was down at $5 or $6 a share. Oh. So this guy vividly remembers Immelt, and the stock was going up as Immelt talked and as he massaged the market. So the entire article was based on a false premise. It wasn't Immelt. It was Keith Sharon, and I remember it well because the ticker was down and his hands were, I mean, it was a very nervous time. Yeah, it was Keith Sharon. It wasn't Jeff Immelt. Jeff Immelt didn't have credibility then. At that point, they said, and Sharon and the CFO. Anyway, if you're actually there, it's different than if you're just writing about it. And, you know, that's like fake news.
It's the narrative.